Alright guys, today I'm doing a review. I got this at Costco. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce it, Hanwoomul shrimp fried rice. So, check this out. It's a product of Korea. Here's the nutrient panel. Here's the ingredients. So, it does contain things like shrimp, oysters, wheat, and soy, so be aware of that. But we'll do a quick taste test. I got this at Costco when it was on sale, so be right back, guys. Alright guys, so here's that fried rice. And you can see how the size of the shrimp in there is actually decent. Look at that. Taste-wise, it's pretty good. It actually has a lot of flavor. The shrimp, and then you got the peppers in there. Yeah, it's really decent. The rice does not seem like mushy at all. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.